Good afternoon, Lara Joy.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Can you tell me about yourself?
I am Lara Jane Alam, 24 years old, single mother. I have one child. He is 1 year old and 8 months.
Okay, I have few questions for you to answer, so let's start. Why do you want to work as a maid?
Because I want to help my family financial problem and earn money.
Okay, why you choose Malaysia when there's a lot of other country?
Because it is near to my country and same culture.
Okay, how are you qualified for this job?
Because I already passed my pre-medication and I already trained my company.
Okay, may I know what is your educational level?
I'm a college level.
Okay, what is your recent experience?
I'm a cashier and a housemaid for more than 2 years.
Okay, have you worked abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Do you have experience of taking care of baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
Mine.
Okay, how about elderly people?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please tell me what are your special skills?
Manicure and sewing.
Okay, are you willing to learn new skills?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with a family where the mother-in-law or any relatives stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Currently, are you still working now? I repeat, currently, are you still working now?
No, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What sort of food can you cook?
Filipino food
Like what?
like adobo, pakbet,
Okay.
sinigang.
Okay. Are you aware that you will have to do washing, cleaning, ironing, and cooking?
Yes, ma'am.
From all the house chores, which do you like most?
Cleaning.
Okay. If ever you were selected to work in Malaysia, who will take care of your kid?
My mother and my sister.
Okay. You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
You are only allowed to use handphone after you finish all the works and going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
You are strictly needed to surrender the handphone to your employer in the morning, and your employer will return back to you once you're going to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
If ever your employer find out that you're abusing to use your handphone and it's affecting your work performance, your employer will confiscate your handphone and you are not allowed to hold it anymore. Instead, your employer will allow you to call to your family 3 times in a month. You're only allowed to bring normal phone and you are not allowed to bring smartphone. Are you agreed for the terms and conditions?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you agree to the rules and regulation for the handphone?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
Yes, ma'am.
How many years is the contract as you agreed and understand?
2 years.
Okay. Can you describe for me your ethics?
I'm honest, flexible, and most of all, hardworking.
Okay. How can you assure to us that you will work hard in Malaysia?
I will try my very best to do my responsibility and be responsible and finish my 2 years contract.
Okay. Can you promise not to use the telephone without the permission of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to put on makeup but to dress properly while work?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to invite friends and relatives without the consent of your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to ask for advance salary from your employer under any circumstances?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you really understand of the rules and regulations of the agency?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you pay any placement fee for you to come to Malaysia to work as a maid?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any history of sickness, example breast cancer or any other illness?
No, ma'am.
Do you suffer from any skin diseases, allergy or physical defect?
No, ma'am.
Have you undergone any operation? I repeat, have you undergone any operation?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
Are you allergic with any food?
No, ma'am.
Are you prepared to work for the employer of any race?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you prepared to eat the type of food taken by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of being left alone in the house? I repeat, are you afraid of being left alone in the house?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of dogs or other pets?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise to work according to instruction by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any immediate family working in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Lara Joy, we have finished our question section. Let's go to case study. I have a case study for you and I want you to answer me truthfully. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 1. Upon arrival in Malaysia within 6 months, if ever any of your family members passed away, what will you do? Will you continue to work till finish your contract or you will go back?
I will stay and I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, number 2. Tell us about yourself and why do you want to work in Malaysia as domestic helper?
I'm Lara Joy Nalam, 24 years old, and I want to help my family financial time.
Okay, Lara Joy, what do you want to tell the employer who watching your video right now?
Please choose me and I will do my very best.
Okay, thank you very much, Lara Joy. We will update to your agency if there's any selection made by the employer.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.